Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find PayPal Ethereum wallet address. So to get started with easy, straightforward and easy guide on how you can easily find your PayPal Ethereum wallet address. So the first thing to do is to open your PayPal app on your phone or go to the paypal.com and log in into your account. Then after that you have to go to crypto. On the home screen, tap Binance or look for crypto, then choose the Ethereum, which is the ETH from the list of supported coin, then select receive. So once you tap receive or transfer, once you tap on receive or transfer, then after that receive PayPal will show your ETH wallet address as long string of letters and number. Then after that, copy the address, then tap copy address to put it on your clipboard. Then you can also tap the QR code for someone who needs to scan to make the transaction. And after that, share it carefully. Only share your ETH address with trusted sender. Double check you are using the Ethereum network, not another blockchain network, to avoid loss of your fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.